At Galaxy Plumbing and Heating, we specialize in expert boiler services in Vancouver. From installation to repair, we've got you covered. Our certified plumbing and heating professionals are available around the clock. Whether it's a sudden breakdown or an urgent repair, we're here to ensure your boiler operates efficiently. We provide 24/7 emergency services so you're never left in the cold. Looking for an energy-efficient upgrade or a quick fix? Our comprehensive boiler services are tailored to meet your specific needs. We offer dependable and effective solutions that ensure your boiler runs smoothly and efficiently. With Galaxy Plumbing and Heating, enjoy the benefits of a fully operational boiler. Keep your home or business warm and comfortable throughout the year with our expert services.